Hey friends, if you wanted your computer to look minimalistic and clean, then I'll help you with it. I'll share each and every step for the same. First of all, we have a lot of trashy icons here. So I wish to remove all of these icons or at least keep a couple of them like people usually keep the recycle bin. Because we don't need this, we can directly open it from the search bar. So right click on the start button and select view. Click on show desktop icons and uncheck it. The desktop icons are gone. Now the second step is to change the background. Now I'll right click on the start button and I'll select settings from the menu. After selecting settings from the menu, I'll go to personalization. Now after going to personalization, I have this option for background here. I can change the picture. I can change it to Windows Spotlight, or I can change it to a certain picture, like I can keep this picture, but I personally prefer Windows Spotlight because it keeps on changing, so I have this great image here. But what about the taskbar? I mean, the search bar is long and I have a lot of icons here. So I'll right click on this and select taskbar settings. I'll switch off the Copilot preview. I'll switch off the task preview. I'll switch off all the widgets. Widgets are the ones we have here, and then I'll switch off this Microsoft Teams chat unless you really want it. And this is done for quite a while. And after this, I have a few more options. So hide the icon menu. I can do that, and then I can scroll down to taskbar behaviors and so I can also remove the search bar. I can hide it. But if you need the search bar, because you can always press the Windows key to get it back. So this is the most minimalistic look that I suggest. These icons which are currently open are the ones which are in use, but otherwise the system is minimalistic. There's nothing on the desktop. But if you really want the start button, I'll show you what you can do in this case. Change it from hide to search icon only, and you'll get this magnifying glass here but nothing else. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then please let us know in the comment section if we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.